Hey, happy Sunday morning to you all. Yeah, okay, it's still morning. I had to check. I'm just gonna come to you a little bit today just to show you what all I have meal prepped for the week. And then also to say that when you're meal prepping with 2 kids around, it's not always easy. Like my baby, for the last 20 minutes of my meal prepping this morning, was like screaming her head off. Now, she's in with her big sister and giggling in her high chair. But anyways, I just had to push through and get what I knew I needed to get done, because when I meal prep on Sundays, especially in the program I'm doing now, it makes the rest of my week go so much more easy, and then I can focus a lot more on being a mom, on being a wife, on my goals, my business, and things like that. So I'm gonna show you what all I prepped today. It took me right about 3 hours from start to finish, all the prep work, all of that, to get done this morning, but now I have a ton of food to eat on all week, and so it'll make things so much easier. So I'm gonna flip my camera so you can see. I have, for my post-workout meal, there is chopped up chicken sausages, there is cage-free eggs, mixed greens and green onions, and then sweet potatoes. All right, and here I have mixed stir-fry veggies, and it has a bunch of roasted broccoli below that. Then here I have taco meat, lean ground beef taco meat, and I put green chilies in that because I'm probably gonna do like enchiladas, or we do taco salad, or corn tortilla tacos, or something like that this week. I have some chicken sausages I seared in the cast iron. I have some balsamic chicken breasts that I can throw on salads or on a sandwich, or really anything throughout the week, or mixed with some veggies. I have lean ground turkey with Italian seasoning. I have rinsed black beans that I can throw on salads. I have steamable quinoa with kale in it that I can also throw on salads. And then roasted green beans, and lastly is breakfast burritos, because this meal plan I'm following now has me eating 6 meals in a day and eating every 2 to 3 hours. And sometimes when you're a busy mom that stays home with your kids, trying to rush and eat that often whenever you're also having to feed your kids, change diapers, clean up messes, feed a dog, do all of these things, sometimes it's not easy to come by. So if I have all this stuff made, all I have to do is reheat it and then eat it while I'm on the go, or whatever the case may be. My breakfast burritos, they are flatbread, whole wheat flatbread, like not flatbread, but you know, well, kind of. Then it's got kale, chopped kale, ground turkey sausage, turkey bacon, and organic pineapple salsa. And that has been my go-to for my first meal every day for my breakfast, because I wrap them in foil. Then all I have to do is unwrap them, throw them in my toaster oven in the foil to reheat them, and then I can eat them on the go before my workouts, or if I'm out, or if I'm needing to chase after a kid. They're super easy to eat that way. But it took me like I said, a little under 3 hours. My daughter was screaming at me the last little bit. My toddler was needing my attention. I had music going. It was like a little bit of overstimulation for me at one point, but I got it done. Now I can enjoy the rest of my Sunday, get caught up on laundry, hang out with my family, and keep crushing those goals. So if y'all ever have any questions about meal prepping, meal planning, what I am doing, the program I'm following, feel free to send me a message or comment interested below, and I'll reach out to you. But like I said, meal prepping's not always easy, especially when you're doing it with kids, but it's always worth it, because it's gonna make the rest of my week go so much more smoothly. Hope y'all are having an awesome Sunday. A Sunday well spent brings a week of content. Remember that. Peace. Love you guys.